This is Jamie Drummond for Good Food Revolution. I am here at Café Belong with chef Reem Kamal-Al-Deen, who is here to speak with us about one of her favorite ingredients at this time of year. See if you can guess what it could be.
Strawberries.
Strawberries, and Ontario strawberries, of course.
Yes.
Now, what is it that makes Ontario strawberries so special in your mind?
Honestly, they're just really good when they're in season. You can get them all year round from California, but they're a bit more watery and bland. When they're in season in Ontario, they're just super sweet and delicious, and they just really taste like strawberries.
And what would that season be?
So the season starts mid-May, and then it kind of ends near the end of June, or maybe a little bit into July. And then it actually comes back near the end of the season around September.
Oh, I didn't know that. That's a different type of strawberry, I'm guessing.
Well, I think it's just like a second round or something.
Oh, of course, I have heard of this. I've never been a very successful strawberry farmer myself because the raccoons tend to eat them all. But yes, there's a second round of strawberries. And when you're at home, how do you tend to enjoy strawberries?
Honestly, I just eat them on their own, fresh, with a bit of yogurt, granola, or just snack on them.
How do you feel about additions such as black pepper, balsamic vinegar, perhaps even savory herbs?
Yeah.
Or herbs, as you call them here.
Yeah, herbs. Black pepper is great. Sage or thyme or rosemary can all work with that. I have a dish actually on the menu that's with peas and mint and asparagus and creme fraiche, and it goes really well. Black pepper would be great too.
I've always been a little bit afraid of adding strawberries to any kind of savory dish, but you do that sometimes?
Yeah, actually, I had a vegan wedding here on Monday, and we did a strawberry tartare for their first course, and that had shallots and mustard and truffle oil and just all these. Basically, treated it like a beef tartare with strawberries, and it turned out great. What
kind of vinaigrette works best with the strawberry?
Honestly, like they're just pretty easy. Like you could do a simple lemon and olive oil. You can also do something creamy, like with creme fraiche or like a green goddess dressing. You can even make a salad dressing. Like when you clean them and you cut all the tops off, put that in a blender with olive oil and vinegar and make a strawberry dressing. They're pretty versatile.
Sounds good to me.
Yeah.
We're going to go inside and see one of the dishes that you have made from Ontario strawberries.
Yes.
Oh my goodness me. That does look fantastic. What do we have here?
It's a strawberry pavlova. So it's filled with our Ontario strawberries. We just macerated them a little bit. Underneath is a meringue. And then we filled it with lavender mascarpone whipped cream. And then on top there's some blueberry compote. And there's also some lemon curd on there.
Wow, so this is a new addition to the menu?
Yep.
And has it been popular as of yet?
We actually just put it on right now, so we're going to be trying it out for the first time for dinner, like for this service.
Really? For this service? Okay, well I'll try to get this up on the website maybe even this evening and see if we can encourage people to try out this gorgeous looking pavlova. Well, Reem, thank you very much for joining us at Good Food Revolution and showing us your favorite seasonal ingredient, Ontario strawberries. Bye for now.
No problem. Bye.
Oh my goodness.